side I am changing, and you can see markings here. That is supposed to be with the 7. This one's good, 2286, 22. That one is the one that I changed. Now switching. This one is not, which is the other side, the one that I returned. And like I told you before, both of this weren't moving. This one is moving now. That's good. But this one's not. 33. Which is driver side. And now it's moving. It's within specs. 31. 46 is the 35 and moving. That's how it should be. The right side, which is the passenger side intake, is not moving at all. It's within spec, but it's supposed to be fluctuating like the other ones. Like that. These are the exhausts. They're moving, they're good within specs. The left side intake that I changed within spec, this one's still not good. So, but the engine light is not on. For some reason it's not putting the engine light on for that. So car is running, everything seems good. Shut it off. Normal start, which is good. So I would say let it go for now, and see how it reacts. Maybe you'll wake up. No idea, never seen this before, but I know the other side was that once I moved it, then it started fluctuating. Maybe that's the same problem, but the car doesn't think it's a problem for now. Maybe when the car gets driven and the RPM goes higher and it needs to adjust the adjuster, then you'll see a problem. But for now, everything seems good. Cranking out really nice. Driving up good. So it's all done. So doing the other side now. This one, the camshaft. So the line there is matching, and then the line is a little bit on the bottom. So this is the mark that the sensor reads, and this one. So that's now within spec and moving, both of this, which were bad. Before they were stuck at 30, no movement. Now they are. This 222 minus 21 minus 21. Those are the two exhausts. Intake, which are moving and good within specs. Exhausts I didn't touch, but they're within spec also. Everything's good.